Hello smart people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show to you the way how to find the privacy and policy on a CapCut application. So basically privacy policy is digital documents that created or prepared by the inventor of the applications to guarantee the user that all of their data will be saved whenever they use the application. So for the CapCut itself, so you just need to go open the CapCut application and you just need to stay in this edit section. There will be like 4 sections down here, you can see here. So stay in edit and you will need to take a look on this top right corner. There will be like 2 icons there, and you just need to visit this part to visit the settings. And after that you just need to like scrolling down right on the options. They will be like shown here, privacy and policy. So you just need to go click them. You just need to wait until the information is shown up into your screen. It will be take a little bit of time depending on the internet signal into your phone. And here is the privacy policy of the CapCut. You just need to read everything so that you will know about the informations and the way how the CapCut keep your data whenever you use them. So that is the way, guys, how to find the privacy policy on CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.